This is a brief Los Angeles Mission College tutorial on how to improve your research results with keywords. Research databases usually search exactly what you type in. Our library subscribes to a few dozen of them. For example, California death penalty will only match on articles that have that phrase or the words right next to each other. Note the number of results. You should separate the keywords with the word "and". This will allow for matches on California and death penalty without the keywords having to be next to each other. Note how the number of results has increased. Also keep in mind other words with a similar meaning called synonyms. Death penalty will not find matches for capital punishment. You can look for both phrases by looking for California and death penalty or capital punishment. This will increase the results. However, keep in mind how the search boxes interact. If you enter related terms in separate boxes, you may not get the results you want. In this case, if you enter California and death penalty or capital punishment in 3 separate boxes, your results are matches on articles that contain California and death penalty or articles that contain capital punishment without any mention of California. This search for all articles that mention capital punishment greatly increases results but also reduces how many of them are on our intended topic. For more information on how to use keywords, look in the help areas for Boolean operators or for search tips.